Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, I was going to do a quick shop update on what's going on out here. Not a lot is going on at all, so that's why I hadn't put one up yet. But a couple things are finally starting to happen. I got some dirt put back here on the backside. If you've seen the last video, I was talking about getting dirt back here to do an overhang back here. And it just has to build up so high. You can see off that ledge over there. You can see how much it gets built up. And the meter loop got put in, so he's coming to do that. The power should be put in the next couple weeks, I think. I called to get power put out here, but I hadn't heard nothing from him yet. So anyway, I think he's just waiting on that to finish the meter loop, and I think he's having trouble finding panels to put in. There's shortages of everything. I'm telling you, I can't even find paint right now. There's steel shortages, paint shortages. Everything is running out. So that's one reason why a lot of stuff is taking a long time to get out. I mean, it's taking a lot longer than it should, but I just can't get the stuff, you know. And then when I can get it, like the steel, especially the bigger companies come in and they have it pre-ordered, so of course they get taken care of first, and you're lucky to even get it then. But I am getting it. I mean, there's several places I can go, and I'm getting it, still going. So everybody's got deposits down. I'm getting your stuff to you, don't worry about that. But the shop is coming along. I mean, this dirt, I don't know when I'm gonna do this overhang back here. I really don't. Really, right now, I'm just trying to get power in it, because it's still just empty inside here. I don't want to put a whole lot in here until I can get the power put in and get an alarm put on it. That right there is all I've moved in here. That was just to get it out of the way from over there. But yeah, so there's not a whole lot going on. But hopefully in the next couple weeks, power and lights will be in here. And that'll be so much better. I have 3 220 plugs, which means I won't have to unplug and plug, and man, you kill so much time unplugging stuff and plugging in other stuff and this and that. So I've got 110 plugs everywhere. I've got probably almost 30 plugs coming. But yeah, it's muddy out here too. I got to get some gravel. I ain't even gonna be able to drive in here. Let me show you. I can already see I'm gonna have to get gravel or concrete put out here. I was hoping this clay was gonna get hard enough, but I know it's not this year. I can't even step it in some places. Just gotta get the gutters up. There's still a lot to do out here. A lot to do. I've got to get those gutters. You can see how it's just eating it up over here. And all this right here. It's because all that needs gutters and all along the front of there. But it's all coming. Right now, power is the main thing. Power is the next big step. So anyway, I got some more videos coming. I got one on the Santa Maria grill. I got one on some boots I've been wearing. So if y'all looking for some new boots, y'all want to check this video out, because I'm telling you, these are some of the best boots I've had. I don't have them on right now. I got my older ones because I'm fixing to climb up under this house over here. I got to insulate some pipes. And but yeah, I'm gonna do a video on Brunt Workwear. If you heard of them, I'm telling you, they sent me out a pair of boots, and it's some of the most comfortable pair of boots that I've worn. So I'm gonna do a video on those here soon. Hopefully this week, in the next couple days, I'll get that up. So if you're new to the channel, man, please like and subscribe, and y'all stay tuned for what's coming. As soon as they get the power in and get and I can get an alarm put on here, I'm probably gonna start moving some stuff over here. Like I say, it's too far away to be driving back and forth and this and that all the time. So we're gonna get it done. But y'all stay tuned for the next one, and we'll see you then.